It got stuck. There you go. It's nice, right?
Yeah. Me too. Go.
Yeah. Back up, back up.
Maybe I need to.
There you go. Fastlane RC, Dark Star XPS, Extreme Performance Series, up to 11 miles per hour. Nice truck. Nice pickup truck.
Yes, Fastlane.
Hey, baby boy.
Gonna open it.
Fastlane RC. Oh yeah, the back of the box. Yeah, Maya, we need to charge the battery. Extra control. Up to 160 feet of range. A 2.4 gigahertz RC. Oh yeah.
Maya likes to.
Lightweight shell. Cool. What else? Shock absorbing suspension. Extra performance.
Baby.
Oh yeah. Okie dokie, Dark Star. Let's unbox it, mommy.
Okay.
Alright. It looks nice. What, Maya?
I lost a lot of watching.
A lot of what?
Watching.
Oh, instruction papers? Yeah. Okay, it's a nice looking pickup truck. Yeah. The controller. How many batteries do we need for the controller, mommy? 2 AA? Okay, 2 AA batteries for the controller. Okay, and this is the battery pack.
And me.
And Hulyan, a 7.2 battery pack. Okay, time to put the battery.
Time to put the batteries.
Yeah.
Time
No,
to
just
put
battery. Just
the-
one battery.
Time to put the remote. Okay, do.
Okay, mommy, turn it on. Turn the switch on.
Okay.
Not bad. Yeah, it's fast.
Okay. I'm just gonna put it backwards.
Okay, Hulyan. To the sand. Oh, it got stuck.
Whoa, that's a rocky sand.
Push it, Hulyan.
Okay, I'm gonna push it. Ah! Hey!
It's too much for the truck.
Maybe I need to go somewhere, but now
Try it again, Hulyan. Try it again.
Okay.
Go.
Maybe I need to go somewhere, but now I lost the sand. fingers are. Oh! It's a sand shooter. It's shooting sand.
Yeah.
Hey, oh, that's making me dead. On the grass.
On the grass.
It can only go in the dirt. It can go in the dirt, but going backwards. When I go forward, it goes stuck. So I have to drive it backwards. Beautiful.
There you go.
It's too much grass.
Okay, now put it on the dirt.
Dirt, okay. Almost done. It's almost done.
Wow, you're too far, Hulyan.
What happened?
You're too far.
It gets stuck. Oh.
Get it. Get closer. Come on, boy.
Fast, 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 fast. Go.
Alright kids, we are going to sign off now. There you have it. We are going to see you on the next video. Thank you, Hulyan. Bye kids.
I'm gonna drive it still. It's not so